This segment of our lesson shows how a simple relief cut can make a big difference in getting a sheet of wall covering to wrap around an inside corner more easily and make final trimming easier and more accurate. Excess wall covering gathering at ceiling and wall joints, as well as molding and wall joints, makes for a struggle when getting sheets to lay flat to the wall at the corners. In this case, we're using a heavy commercial vinyl wrapping around the inside corner. We're struggling at the top of the corner to get the sheet to lay flat onto the wall, wrap onto the ceiling so we can make a perfect ceiling to wall trim, all while keeping the vinyl tight to the corner. We think everything is good here, but pulling back the vinyl, we see that there is wall covering that will be trimmed off from the ceiling lap, wrapping from the ceiling down onto the wall behind the sheet. That can lead to a mistrim. To prevent this, place your knife in the corner, keeping light pressure on the blade to hold the placement. Pull the sheet away from the wall and cut out on an angle away from the corner. Then cut a wedge out of the paper by putting your knife back close to your last cut and cutting away at the opposite angle to your first cut. Simply removing this wedge makes it much easier to tuck the wall covering into the corner, set the corner, and make a precise ceiling and wall trim. Once this is done, of course, you want to check for any detailing that needs to be done. Now you have a great trim with a lot less effort. This technique can also be used in situations where heavy moldings make getting a sheet to tuck to a corner for trimming difficult, such as at door frame and baseboard joints or window frame to window sill joints.